y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be getting down and dirty in this dirty hair. Okay, we've got some new products that we're going to be trying out from the brand Kreyol Essence. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. I need to take down these old and dusty knotless braids that I've had since, you know, my birthday. It's time for them to come out, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm super excited to be working with Kreyol Essence for the very first time, and I know this will not be my last. I need to revitalize my natural hair. I need to take care of my natural hair. I'm on a natural hair journey, but I haven't really been putting in enough time and effort into it for the last, you know, couple months because it's been really stressful. Life has been lifing. Y'all know the new saying, life has been lifing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with unboxing the new items from Kreyol Essence, and we're gonna fix this hair up. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to get this thing on and popping. So I'm super excited, so let's go. Thumbnail moment. Y'all, my name. This is my first time getting a package with my name on it. Look at it. I love that. It says, Ariel, on behalf of our farmers, producers, and team, we would like to welcome you to our tribe. Oui, oui, when la chérie. Yes. We look forward to being a part of your beauty and self-care journey, all while making a global impact. Sincerely, Kreyol Essence. Y'all, I am so excited to be a part of the Kreyol Essence family. Let's go ahead and get started on this process of any of the products that are mentioned in this video. Please do yourself a favor and click the links down below in the description box so you can get your hands on these beautiful products. Y'all, I'm super excited, especially for this oil and this pomade. I haven't used pomade since I was a little girl, so I am uber excited. I'm super hyped, and I'm so glad to be working with Kreyol Essence. Y'all, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna cut these out of my hair. Girl, it's been a long time.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is one in a million. Oh yeah.
Alright, it is now time to deep condition the hair. I'm going to be using this bonnet drying handheld dryer attachment for the first time. I got this from beauty supply store, and you basically just attach this thing to your hair dryer, put it on your head, and it helps you deep condition your scalp. So I'm going to be using it again for the first time ever. I'm excited to use this because I feel like this is a good invention. It's like you're sitting under the dryer without having to have the bulkiness of a dryer, which I absolutely love. So whoever invented this, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Well, I never used it, but just the idea alone is pretty solid, pretty nice, pretty smart, pretty innovative, you know. So I'm gonna be sitting under it for 25-30 minutes. Just to get my hair nice and moisturized and bring all the moisture back in, because that shampoo squeaky cleaned my hair. Yeah, it squeaky cleaned my hair. That thing was squeaking. I got thing on. Oh, they gave me 3 extra shower caps too.
Oh, nice.
That's nice. I'm still gonna reuse this one, and then when it gets ugly, then I'll use the ones they gave me. So.
think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. We didn't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
Alright y'all, so as you guys saw, I just refreshed my mini twist by adding the Kreyol Essence hair and coconut milk as well as the Haitian Black Castor Oil, and instantly it just looks so much more alive again, and I truly just love that.
I